In a previous video, I shared with everyone about the process of making F1 kombucha. We can use that to make some drinks, but if you want to make more flavors, we can mix some fruit or tubers to make F2 kombucha. F2 kombucha can have plenty of flavors. It depends on which flavors you want to drink. Today, I will share with you some recipes to make F2 kombucha, especially as to kombucha from beetroot and ginger, and instruct how you can have more recipes to make F2 kombucha by ChatGPT. Now we move on to process to make F2 kombucha. This picture tells us some steps to make F2 kombucha. The first step is choose materials, fruits and tubers. To select high-quality fruit and tubers to enhance flavor and nutritional value for the second fermentation. The second step is cleaning, to remove dirt, pesticides, and contaminants to ensure hygiene and safety in the fermentation process. The third step is cutting, to increase the surface area of fruit and tubers to maximize flavor extraction and fermentation efficiency. The next step is weighting, to measure the extract amount of ingredients to maintain consistency in taste and fermentation balance. In here, we need to weigh F1 kombucha, weigh fruit, tubers, and weigh sugar. And the next step is mixing, to combine fruits, tubers with F1 kombucha to introduce natural sugars and flavors for secondary fermentation. And the next step is fermentation. And this process is at room temperatures about 25 Celsius, and the time is 1 to 3 or more days. Allow the natural fermentation process to occur and developing carbonation and enhancing flavors. And the next step is filter, to remove solid residues from the mixture, producing a smoother and clearer kombucha. And the product is F2 kombucha. Obtain the final flavors kombucha with enhanced taste, carbonation, and probiotic benefits, ready for consumption or bottling. Now I will introduce to everyone two recipes to make F2 kombucha. The first recipe is to make kombucha from beetroot, and the second recipe is to make F2 kombucha from ginger. Let's see the processing. Now I will share with everyone some tips to have more recipes to make to kombucha or kombucha by ChatGPT. Now just follow my steps. Thank you everyone for watching and listening this video. See you next time.